To begin using Cryptshare, simply open your browser and enter your Cryptshare URL. As Cryptshare is hosted by you and sits within your DMZ, you decide the URL for your installation of Cryptshare. For the purpose of this video, we will be using the demo server hosted by Cryptshare at demo.cryptshare.com. Once you have entered the Cryptshare server, you will be presented with the Provide and Retrieve screen. To send a file, click the Provide button and work your way through a very simple authentication process. Enter your name, phone number and email address, and you will then be ready to start exchanging files securely. Now you have verified your details, you can select your recipients. This can be as many or as few as you require. For additional protection and security, you can choose to include a password. The inclusion of a password can be decided by policy. Switching the option on ensures that users must always include a password, whilst off gives users the choice of using a password if they desire. Just like a regular email, you can enter a subject and a message. To attach a file, simply click the folder icon and select the document you wish to send. For more than one file, just repeat this process. Once you have finished attaching your files, select Done and the transfer will begin. Your file has now been successfully sent. You will now receive an email detailing the transaction, and the recipient will receive an email informing them that you have sent them a file. For the recipient to retrieve the file, they must simply click on the direct download link to open. This automatically opens a web browser and presents them with a file or files waiting to be downloaded. Once the file has been downloaded, you will receive a confirmation email informing you that the file has been successfully retrieved by the recipient you sent it to. As an added bonus, recipients can also use Cryptshare to send documents back to you. All they need to do is follow the same steps you took to send them a file. Now we will introduce you to the new Cryptshare for Outlook plugin, which is directly integrated into your Outlook client for more convenience. To securely send a file using the Cryptshare for Outlook plugin, open up a new email as you would ordinarily do. Then simply select the Send with Cryptshare icon, which is conveniently embedded within your email message control ribbon. Now you can simply select the documents you wish to attach in exactly the same way as you would do when sending an ordinary email. Now select your recipients. One of the many benefits of the plugin is that you still have access to all of the Outlook features that you rely on, including your address book. Enter an email subject title, write a message to your recipient and press send. For added security, the Cryptshare for Outlook plugin gives you the ability to encrypt the email message as well as the attachment. You can also select a password similar to the web-based version of Cryptshare. The Cryptshare for Outlook plugin puts Cryptshare in mainstream email usage and makes the process of securely sending large files via the internet even more simple and convenient. To learn more about Cryptshare, register for the free Cryptshare trial at www.cryptshare.com.